Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. So I thought I would give you guys a few tips of what you can do to grow your channel a lot faster, because when I started in May, I really didn't know what I was doing. All I did was make my videos and put it online, and I didn't know how to get my subscribers. So I've done a bit of research. So I'm going to tell you guys what I did over the last 2 months to reach my 100 subscribers. But don't get discouraged if you don't reach 100 subscribers in under 2 months. Some channels grow a lot faster than others and others grow a bit slower. That doesn't matter. As long as you stay consistent and keep on putting on content, you can definitely grow your channel. Please don't fall for the sub for subs, because yes, it grows your audience very, very fast, but it's really bad for your channel, because if you've got a lot of subscribers on your channel that don't actually watch your videos, that tells YouTube that your videos is not of high quality, because your own subscribers don't even watch your videos. That means that YouTube will not show your videos to so many people, and that will actually stop your channel from growing. So please make sure you stay away from sub for subs and work to grow your channel naturally with people that's interested in your content. The first thing I did is I went to Facebook and joined some YouTuber groups where you can actually be part of the community and actually see what other videos people put out there. You can comment on what thumbnail you like the most, and that way you can see what do people like, and you can find out more about what software they use. And if there's any questions you have, if you ask questions on there, they are really very helpful in giving you information. So it helps you grow your channel, and they are also willing to have a look at your videos if you're willing to be part of the community. Now what I've done there is I would always put my videos on there, but I will be going and having a look at other people's content and actually giving them really great feedback on their videos. It might be that it's a good information about the video, or depending on the information, I would actually watch the whole video and give them great feedback about what they have discussed in their video, and give my opinion on that subject if I've got an opinion as well. And if there is something that I think that they might be useful for them to know about their channel, something I think that could help them grow their channel, I would also give that input to them. Like some of the people I've added on, I said it would be a great idea if you have a look at your channel tags to be able to grow your channel as well. So it's always good to actually give proper feedback, and that way they will come and check out your channel, and by doing that they might like your content. That way you would find someone that wants to subscribe to your channel due to your content and not due to sub for sub. If you're getting value so far, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. There's a lot of channels I would like to give a shout out to for helping me build my community and giving me positive feedback on my videos as well. Now the first lot I would like to give a shout out to is about investment. They've really helped me in my community with positive feedback, and I've also learned a lot from them on their content, especially when it comes to dividend investment and growing stocks, and they've helped open my eyes when it comes to stock investment. And I've got quite a list that I would like to go and do in the future from the stocks and content I saw from these specific videos. Now I've linked my journey on top if you'd like to follow my journey, as I've started it on my YouTube channel, and a lot of my ideas I've got from these people. So the guys I would like to give a shout out to is Mr. Dividend Investor, Daddy Debt, Fifi Finance, Ethos Investing, EasyWealthBuilding, Jesse Opportunity Costing Investing, Wagner Sudoku, Brandon Harper, and last but not least, Ashta Financial Diary. Now all of these channels has helped me, but this is not the only channels that has helped me with dividends, and this is not the only channels I'm following. There's a lot of other ones, but unfortunately I can't mention each and every channel that I've subscribed to. The second tip that I would give to you to help you grow your channel is to be an authentic person. Go onto YouTube, go find other small YouTubers in your niche and go be authentic on their channels. Be a part of their community. Watch their videos and give them feedback on that specific video. Don't just give general feedback. Actually discuss what they have discussed in their video with them. Give them your ideas and what do you think. And if there's any idea that you can add on to what was said in their video, be an authentic person in their community. If they like what you say and they can see you are part of their community, they will go check you out. And if they like your content, they will subscribe to you. So being a part of other community channels will help you find subscribers as well. Now, the next lot of channels I would like to give a shout out to because they're really great for your mental health and your physical health is Dimitri Panicki. He's great with challenges as well. He had a 30-day coffee challenge, which was very funny and very awesome. Then Progressive Transformation. He's really great. Go check out his channels. He's actually having arguments with himself for intros. He's really funny and teaches you a lot about your physical health. And then Premium Positivity. His channel is really great as well for any positive feedback you need on your life or any positive ideas that you need in your life. Two other channels I would like to mention is Dr. Lundi Business Coach. Now her channel is all about building your own business and giving you information about building your business. She reviews a lot of sites so that you can actually find out if the site is worth your time and your money, or is it better to look for another program to actually get some information from, because she looks at programs where you can get leads and stuff like that. So I've been really finding her information very useful. And another one is Old Man Vern, who's been from a subscriber with me from the start, that's been helping me grow my channel and helping with the algorithm. And the third tip that I'm sure you guys have all started off with is sharing your videos with everyone. Don't be afraid of sharing your videos. Don't worry if people think it's funny or weird, especially when it comes to your Facebook. Share it everywhere. Don't be afraid. Grow your channel. People will like your channel or they won't. If they like your channel, they will subscribe to you. If they don't like it, they won't subscribe. You've got nothing to lose. Share it with everyone. Share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram, share it on Twitter. Any platform that you are on, that you have a community, share it with everyone. That's the way you're going to grow your channel, by following these 3 steps. That's what I've done so far to grow my channel. I just want to say sorry, unfortunately I can't link all my subscribers in my video. I just mentioned the ones that I've had the most contact with. And I'll link as many as I can in the description below. I don't know how many I'll be able to fit in. And unfortunately, I'm not able to see all my subscribers, as not all of them are publicly subscribed to me. So I'll try and link as many as I possibly can. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.